Hey cousins, hey, welcome back to another episode of No Influencer Privilege. This is where I ghost buy wigs to see what they send you. And by popular demand, Arabella, you are up next. Y'all have to forgive me, my allergies were on 10,000. I ain't lying, y'all. I'm allergic to cats. We have 2 cats. That's it, that's all. Now, Arabella. This is my first Arabella unit that I have used. Again, it was demanded by the cousins, so I said, bet we gonna try out Arabella to see what they are working with. Big shout out to my ghost buyer. Thanks for helping me out with this one. So I'm just going to get into these gifts. We have the HD wig cap that I'll be using today. We have a pair of ignorant lashes. We have the edge whisper, and we have the lace melt band. Now this little jewel right here is cute, but I am not gonna snatch my roots out. Not gonna do that. This is the wig that I got, y'all. Notice it says Afro curly. I'ma just tell you like this. It's not, okay? No ma'am, that's not Afro curly, okay? It's not. You can clearly see it's not, okay? These are the specs. Now, it's 100% human hair. The density is 180. This is a 6x5 pre-cut lace closure. And the shipping, you can see here, the shipping actually was really quick. By the time it got to the first destination, because obviously it's not being shipped to me, the shipping time was easy breezy, not a problem at all. I got 22 inches. I prefer 18 inches when it comes to like curly wigs, but I don't think that they had it for whatever reason, so I ended up getting 22. Y'all, look at that. That's nice. That is beautifully plucked, y'all. I ain't gonna hold you. They plucked that and went on to the house. Ooh, they did that. Now they plucked that. Now this is pre-cut lace, you guys. So this is a part of their wear and go wig units. Y'all know that that's everywhere now, because basically you can just plop them on and go. I'm gonna be doing a couple things to mine though, because y'all know I'm extra. It has one comb and then it has the silicone band. It's very stretchy. The cap is really good and stretchy. So it's big head friendly, okay? Again, as you can see, that's not Afro curly, okay? So they definitely should change that in the description. Now, I'm just gonna do a basic install, you guys. I'm not gonna melt it. It's gonna be 100% glueless. So for those of you who are not with those glue or spray games, I don't use glue. But some people don't even want the spray, so we're gonna go 100% glueless. I'm using that HD cap because that's what they provided, and a couple of you guys are like, hey, let's try the caps that they give. So bam, that's that. I'm gonna do a quick tint using a powder for the lace as well as the HD cap. And y'all, honey, okay, that's how you coming at it, Arabella. Oh God. Now listen, as far as that closure, baby, that's nice. You can definitely wear that glueless, y'all. Absolutely. The color is lovely. I love how the roots are a little bit darker than the ends. It gives it a natural sort of flair to me. Now you'll see me do an easy spray mousse down where I just spray it with my water bottle. Inside my water bottle is water, leave-in conditioner, and an oil. Okay, that's what I keep inside my water bottle. So I'm gonna get it good and wet, good and juicy, like it just got baptized. Y'all, this mousse right here is a super thick moisturizing mousse. I love it. Okay, I love it. That's how I'm just going to define it. You know, when you get any sort of curly wig, you have to disrupt the pattern of it. You know what I'm saying? You have to brush through it because it's not meant to be worn just out of the box. Okay, that's just with pretty much any curly wig. I think I've worn one wig one time that was pre-brushed, all just out the bag. Bam, it was like that. It woke up like that, y'all. But after that, no more. So Here, I'm just defining my part because it'll help with the overall natural look of the wig. And y'all, these are very easy customizations. These customizations are level 1 customizations, okay? Easy breezy. Anybody can do this. This right here is super optional. You do not have to cut the lace. It comes pre-cut. But it can be trimmed a little bit more. This is just what it is. It can be trimmed a little bit more. If you want to be ignorant on top of ignorant like I did, bam. Here, we just gonna go ahead and lay these, the edges, the front, the hairline of it. Still 100% glueless. We're just gonna lay it so that it doesn't look glueless, okay? It's about the illusion, baby. Now I'm gonna put a little heat to it because I ain't have all day, okay? Sometimes you don't have all day. Even when you do, you don't. You have things to do. Sometimes you can't let it air dry, okay? And that was just one of those days. I didn't have time to wait. So I put the diffuser to it to help it out a little bit. Sometimes you gotta do that, y'all. Don't be afraid to put a little heat to it, okay? Put you a little heat, get you a sweet treat. That's it, that's all. Now, y'all, I really actually like this wig. I don't really have any complaints. The density is a very nice, natural density. It's not super full. It's not super, thick and hard to manage. Totally glueless. But y'all, 22 inches is not my bag. It's not my thing. So I'm gonna be chopping as we go. Y'all already know what time it is. Once you chop, then you gotta kind of put the layers in there, to give it shape if that's what you want to do. I like big hair. So the things that I'm doing not only show you that it's secure, even though it's glueless, but it also shows you how to make it bigger. If you like big, ignorant, thick hair like me, these are some of the things that you can do to achieve that look. Because again, this is not Afro curly hair, okay? If it was Afro curly, it would be a little bit bigger, okay? But it's not. But it's cute, Arabella. I'm not mad. Drop in the comments, y'all. I really want to know what y'all think. How we feeling about this Ghost by? Let me know, y'all. Peace, love, light.